All right, so like I said before, guys, let me just do a quick introduction on how to activate the strategy on your chart and how to use a strategy. All right, so like I said before, if you're just getting started, right, once you've deposited your money in and everything, or if you're using a demo, right, you can use a strategy regardless if I'm doing a session, yes or no. All right, the best time to use it is when you have a demo account. Practice on how to use it while you're on a demo account. You understand? So you don't get lost. So what you need to do once you get access to it, you have to get a laptop or a desktop computer to activate it first. If you don't have one, borrow your neighbor one and tell them just log in at TradingView quick and fast, activate it, or go to the internet cafe or the library. You understand? Now to activate it, you need to go to indicators at the top right here. Then you need to scroll down, come to invite only script. Make sure that you see this down here. Right? Go to invite only script. Once you click on it, you're supposed to see two things and they should have green. Anytime you see them red, that means your username is not correct, or that means you haven't made a payment. That's the only time you're going to see them red. But once you get access, they should be green. All right. So you're going to see the Kim Possible strategy and the Kim Possible indicator. Click on both of them and they're going to appear on your chart like mine. All right. So that's step one. Now, step two, make sure that you have the TradingView app on your phone. Right. Has everybody download that so far, the TradingView app? So make sure that you have the TradingView app on your phone. All right, if you don't have it, then you can download it, guys. All right, so once you have hold on guys, once you have downloaded the TradingView app, make sure when you log in, it's the same login for your when you use on the desktop. All right. Oh, gola push up nicely. Look here. Whoa. Money for that Tuesday, money for that Tuesday. All right. So, how to get into a buy? Now, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go to the alert section in the group and I'm going to come back around here, right? So, if you're not in the alerts group, do let admin know and she will redrop back the um I'm not sure. I'll check it in a bit. If you're not in the alerts group, do let admin know and she will drop back the link inside of the chat into the main chat, all right? So what I'm going to do, I am going to open up Discord. Let me go around here to the other group. Where's the other group now? Hold on then. I have so much grouping and this is something I need to take off some of them group here, you know. All right, let me click on new share. So I'm going to click on new share. Can everybody see my screen? Let me know if you can see my screen. All right. Anyone there? Anyone there? Let me know if you can see the Discord group, guys. Or the chat now move. Oh yeah, so one person answered so far. Okay. So once you get the alert group, guys, once you're in the alert group and you hear an alert come through, you're not going to be using the alerts to get into the trade. You will, but I will show you how. Right? Once you get the alert in this section, do not just follow this and go on to your MetaTrader 5. Right? Make sure you come on here, check what trade was called out, and then you go onto your trading view. All right? Because I've had people come in the past, take the trades exactly from here, and the trades weren't ready yet, and they end up blowing them accounts. All right? So what you're gonna do, step one, let's say right here we call out a buy for silver, which is XAGUSD. All right? What you're then gonna do, because this is under 15 minutes, I'll still demonstrate, but normally I'd prefer the 5 minutes. So let's say, okay, buy XAG USD on the 50-minute time frame. So where you see the M15, it means 15 minutes time frame. Where it says M5, it means the 5-minute time frame. All right. So what you're then gonna do, you're gonna come back on your either on your phone or on TradingView itself on your desktop, and you're gonna find silver, which is XAG USD. All right. It says to get in for the buy right here, right? I'm in different time zones, so it's going to show a little bit different. All right. So once you come on here now, if it's setting up like this, then yes, I can get in from here. But right, because it's far away from the red box. So yes, I could have got in right here for a buy. Or if you wanted to, you could just drop to the 5 minutes, right? And then see if you can re-enter back the market. You understand? But if it's on the 50 minutes, because if you call out on the 5 already, then it's the next time frame that it's gonna call out on is on the 15. You understand? So I could have got in right here from the 15-minute time frame, and then because you're on the 15 minutes, you don't need to go nowhere else to set your stop loss. You put your stop loss underneath the green box, right? So if you're going in for a buy, you put your stop loss underneath the green box right here, and you set the trade and forget it. You don't have to set the trade and sit down there and watch the trade on your phone, guys, or on the desktop. You understand? Because remember, people have things to do and people have work. You understand? Once you set your stop loss, the stop loss is there to protect your account. As long as you use proper risk management, as in your lot size, then you're good to go. You understand? So that's how you do the alert. So if you call out on the 5 minute, then you go to the 5-minute time frame up here. You understand? If you call out on the 15 minutes and it's set up on the 15, then you can enter. You understand? But the 5 minute is more ideal because you get an instant entry. All right. So that's how you get in for the buy using the alerts, right? So the TPs, you don't need to worry about the TP because you're securing profit as you're going. You understand? So you see like right here in the 5 minute now, you have everything lined up green so far. You have the break and close already. You have a solid green candle right here. The two EMAs are green and down in the volume is green. So all you have to do, go up on your phone, press buy, right? And then you go on the 15 minutes, set your stop loss, and that's you done for that pair, right? You enter one trade per symbol, all right? Let me see what call out runners now. Oh, that's the stocks. All right. So once you enter that, then that's it. Now let's say now it call out a sell. So I'm gonna go back around here to Discord. All right. You don't have to use the alerts if you don't want to, guys. You can just use the chart itself. You understand? Um, the alerts come in handy if you're out and about. You understand? Because if you have a smartwatch that connects to your phone, the alerts pop up on the smartwatch. So for me with my Apple, when I'm out and about, the alert pop up on my Apple Watch that says buy gold. And all I have to do from there is just go on TradingView, check if it's lined up, and then I can get in for the buy from there or the sell. You understand? So let's see something else. All right, so this is the normal pairs. All right, so right here now, let's say it says to get into GBP JPY for a sell on the 15-minute time frame. So when it comes onto the normal pairs, and all of these are normal pairs, you only do it from the 15-minute time frame. All right, so what you're gonna do then, you're gonna come onto TradingView, all right, and you're going to find GBP JPY. All right. So I'm going to scroll down right here. It says GBP JPY. I look at that. It call out the sell right there. You understand? The normal pairs, they're over here. So anything that has AUD JPY, AUD USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, Euro is literally in the chat. All right. The ones that says forex pairs, those are normal pairs. The one that says indices and commodities, those are are like similar to stocks. You understand? And the one that it highlight everything, and then crypto is crypto, which is BTC, and then you have the stocks, which is like Apple and Tesla and etc. So the alerts pretty much outline themselves. All right. So like right here now it says to get into GBP JPY for a sell. Before you get in for the sell, there's certain things that you have to look for, same like the buy. So you call out the sell, right? We have this EMA at the top red, right? So far, this one is not red to me. You understand? We do have a solid red candle. This break and close, it's a break and close, but it's not fully enough for me. You see, if this not red, I'm not getting in. You understand? And then down in this section, you have red volume. So what I would have done is wait until I get a second candle. Always wait until you get a second candle if you're waiting for a break and close. Because this candle right here can pull right back up. You understand? It can literally go all the way back up and close back up here and then pull back up for the buy. So always make sure you wait for a second candle for your break and close. All right. Now, if the second candle come out, you understand, and it's pushing down, boom, everything would have lined up. Then you go on your phone and you press sell for GBP, JPY, right? But like I said, what you guys can do is, if you verify your account, open a demo account and use that to practice a little bit on it. You understand? When you use a demo account to practice, then you guys will get the full swing of how it works. All right. So that's what you guys can do. So we have 23 seconds left on this candle, right? If we get a second candle and this trend line is red, then we can get in for the sell. You can jump on a demo account and just, you understand, practice it. And then throughout the day, when you guys are free, you can just use that time to practice using the strategy. All right, so let me see what this candle going to be doing. All right, boom. So you see how this red now? You understand? Then we can get in for a sell, right? So if you have a demo account, you can get into GBP, JPY for a sell on a demo account. All right. So because we're on a 15-minute time frame, I don't need to change my time frame. All I have to do is come over here to the tools, and I'm going to put my stop loss above this area right here. All right. You put your stop loss above either the red box or a green box. In this case, also the red box here. So you put your stop loss above this area, guys. If you don't see any red box, then you put it above the candles right here. All right. Can you make money on a no? And a demo is just a practice. It's just a practice account. You can't withdraw it or anything, but you can practice. What you can do is practice entering the trades and practice exiting the trades, as in securing profits on there, and then you can practice using the strategy. So when you go on the broker, where it says open a demo account beside the live account, it's gonna ask you how much money you want to put into the demo, right? You can put 5,000. You understand? Put $5,000 and then you can take time trade on it like that. All right. So the demo account is just for practice purposes, nothing more. All right, or you can put any amount on there. You can put 15,000, you can put 50,000, 100,000. You understand? But I would say start off with a little lower amount first. Like you can put 2,000 on there or 3,000. You understand? Or 5,000, and then you take time. Once you start, you see, and the demo is really, really important, guys. Especially if you're just starting out with trading, use the demo when you're not trading on your live account. You can go on a demo and just practice on there. The more you practice, the better you become on your live account. You understand? So it's very, very good when it comes down to a demo account itself. All right, so that's all you're getting for the sell. and that's how you get in for the buys, guys. Right? So I've made it very simple for everybody, especially people that works full time. They don't have no time for come on and job chart, and you understand. And when you look, you see them a drop this from this. So yeah, to be honest, I try and make it as easy and possible for easy for everybody. You understand? Because woman trade a little bit different from man. Sometimes when you go past some man chart, you say, Jesus, because I can't understand nothing what it's saying. You understand? Them have charted, them have line draw from this so, and them have one next line this so, and them draw up here so, and them, Mr. Jesus, me can't understand this. Can you make it a little bit simple for me, please? So that's why I made the strategy this simple for everybody to understand. You understand? So yeah. I'll make it as simple as possible. Um, so somebody was asking me, how do you know when to get out? Guys, this is on you now. So let me just pull up the compound planner. So I'm going to drop this in the chat for everybody. So the challenge that we're doing right now is a 1 year challenge, guys. So on top of your money that you put in, within 2 weeks, anything that you make on top of your money, you can withdraw the interest and leave the original money in there. So let's say you put in, I don't know, let's say you put in the 200, let's stick to the 200. You put in the $200, we're doing 10% daily interest rate. We're doing it for 1 year. So you're going to put 365 days right here. Daily reinvestment rate, you're going to put 100%. Include weekends, we're going to put no for now, right? And the start date, let's say your start date, you started yesterday. So you're going to put yesterday's date, press calculate now, and you're going to see this pop up. It's an 18 figures challenge, guys. Now, this might seem like a lot of money, and you say nothing can go so. Trust me, I can get to where I'm getting to now. So let's say now you put in the $200, and this is what you're meant to make by this, when is this? July the 30th, 2025, right? And we're only doing business days for now. You can download this and you can print it out. Now, on this is just a guide. So day one, which would have been today, it says that you need to make $20 on a trade, right? Remember now, guys, we do sessions twice daily, right? Four days per week. So if you're doing, if you're coming on to every session for the 4 days, by the time you're ready to make a withdrawal, you can withdraw a decent amount, right? If you follow instruction and you stick to a minimum lot size, you can make the money, guys. Trust me. So day one, it says you need to make 20. It doesn't say you have to make the 20, you know. If you're in 3 trades and all of them is pushing up and you're in the blue, let's say you make $100 for the day. You surpass how much days? 1, 2, 3. You surpass about 4 days in a 1 day. You understand? So even though it says to make 20 right here, it's just a guide. Because you can make more than the 20 in a one session. Everybody with me so far? So you see like our goal is pushing up now, right? You see like our goal is pushing up now. Let's say goal keep run up for the rest of the day. You can end up making all $50 off a goal, depending on your lot size. You can end up making 100. You can end up making 30. You can end up making 40. You understand? That's how the market is. There's no cap on how much you can and cannot make. All right? So this is just a guide to let you know how much. I want to do something here. This is just a guide to let you know how much you need to make per session or per day. If you want to do it per day, it gives you the day and the dates. If you want to do it per session, you can say, okay, I want to make 22 London session and 22 New York session. So as you see right here, as soon as the money starts increasing, you see it over here, total principal. If you make the 20, it goes to 220 in your balance. The next day you come, if you make 22, it goes to 242. But in 1 day, this can leave from 200 and jump all the way to 300 in a 1 day. You understand? Depending on how far the market is pushing. All right, so I'm going to drop this in the chat so you guys can fill it out. And if you want to print it out, you can. All right, so this is called a compound plan, guys. The first time I start trading, this is what I was introduced to. But before I started trading, right, what I want you guys to do is get this book, because this book made me understand more about trading. Hold on, where is it? Compound effect. So this book right here by Darren Hardy, this book made me understand plenty more about trading. You understand? And about compound. It's called compound effect. So instead of, you understand, going out a road and spend money unnecessary, this book make you literally learn how to trade and compound your money in the markets. You understand? This is a really good book. So it's called the compound effect. Jumpstart your income, your life, your success. So this book I got introduced to before I got started with trading. So sometimes everything just align in one, guys. You understand? So when I got introduced to it, I said, okay, this is a good read. And I got introduced to trading. Now when I see the woman pull this up, I say, but this don't look familiar. When me look in the compound effect book, they have a whole long page with this in there. Me say, Jesus Christ, come look here. Then this the manifestation. You understand? This a manifestation. From me start trading, I was meant to go back to my nursing job. I said, watch out, me now go back and work, you know. Me I can make this work. You understand? I was on follow at the time and I said, okay, me now go back and work. You understand? And as so comes now, me start buckle down and start do trading full time. You understand? Never to return. Hallelujah. Praise God. All right, guys. Everybody's supposed to be in profit on J 30 on goal. All right. Goal push up nicely. Let me see what UK 100 that push up to. So if you're still in UK 100, that is still pushing up. Let me see what NASA do. Because NASA all over the place now. US 30, what US 30 I do? Oh, US 30, the buyers are coming back up. So everybody's supposed to be blue and everything, man. Nas supposed to hit with stop loss. That's the way you do. Yep, it's stop loss. Look where they come create the green box right on my stop loss line. All fat them. All right, and then Euro JPY. This is pushed on a little bit. All right, yeah, that hit our stop loss, guys. Well, everything else is blue. Hallelujah, praise God. All right, any questions so far, guys? So on my sessions, trust me, guys, when you do come on, we're not gonna get no boring session. You understand? We're gonna crack a little bit of joke here and there. While we are make money, we're supposed to enjoy ourselves. You understand? Because when we are the people that work, we're not enjoying ourselves. Oh God. Kim, do you have a video on taking partials? Yes, on my YouTube page. I'm gonna drop it in the group. Not on blue for US 30 or UK. Okay, you had entered late. So if you're still in UK 100, still stay in there because buyers are coming back in. US 30 did pull back a little bit, but the buyers are coming back up as well. So yeah, it did pull back slightly when I call it out for the buy, but we should get the buyers. Oh, you was in there from morning. So okay, so here's a next tip, guys. When you're entering the trades, you have to make sure that your entry, you see your entry is very important. You understand? And that's why I don't call out. When I'm doing the sessions, I don't drop the trades them in the chat because when people see them late, you understand, it's not very good. You see, when I call out a trade, all right, let me go on gold, for example. When I call out a trade, let's say my entry is right here, right? If you look on your phone on your MetaTrader 5, look at where you see the number where you've entered. You understand? The name of the book is called The Compound Effect. You see your entry right here is very important, guys. When you're trading, your entry is everything. You see, if you enter too late and the market start pull back on you, you understand? It's going to take a while for it to go back up. You understand? But you see, if you catch it early, Like early bird, that when they say early bird catch the most worm, it's better for you because that's when you're going to be in profit. You understand? So let's say our entry was right here. You understand? At 2027. You understand? You call out the buy and we end up entering the trade right here. From here to where the current price is right now, you would have been in profit, right? In this case, you could have either move your stop loss in profit or close out your trade. And then if anything, you can re-enter back. Yes, by Darren Hardy, yes. Right? It's the red and white book right here. All right. So you get good ratings. And this is this is the Audible. I don't have the Audible, I have the physical book. I told me, you understand, I'm a visual person. I like to read, I like to touch what I read. You can be in that trade for days until it, yes, you can. So it's called a swing trade. So for me, I'm a swing trader. So I can be in trades for days, weeks, up to months. The longest I've ever been in a trade is on Bitcoin, and that was Bitcoin at US 30. I was in there for 3 months because it kept on buying. I just stayed in there and I just keep moving my stop loss up in profit. So there's a video in the resource section on how to move your stop loss in profit. So you see like how gold is pushing up right now. If you're in profit, all you have to do is go on your MetaTrader 5 and move the stop loss every 15 minutes underneath each 15-minute candle. Not under the current candle, under the previous candles. You understand? So as the market keep pushing up, you keep moving your stop loss up in profit like this, right? And while this one is pushing up, we have 21 minutes left on this. If this keep pushing up same way, then you move your stop loss underneath this one. Once you get a new candle coming out, and that's how you move your stop loss up in profit. It happened to me. I was in negative for 3 days. It's important not to take too much trade. Yes, exactly. You understand? And so that's why I normally tell you guys 3 trades per session is good. Because you don't want to enter too much trade one time. Because if the market pull back and your account can't handle it, then your account is gone. You understand? So that's why I normally tell people do not enter too much trades one go. You understand? So now we have a new 15-minute candle pull open. If this one keep pushing up, you put your stop loss underneath the previous candle right here. Yeah, that's how the market is. You understand? You have to know if it's secure profit or run. Cause remember now guys, the goal is to make money on top of your balance. And the balance is the key. You understand? You see, once you have money on the balance, are you that? You understand? So you can't see the money in the market and not take it. Because the market will give you and take it back and say you never want it. You sit on a skylark and look for me. You understand? I saw the market stay. The market you see all gold here? Just like you see gold pushing up, gold can come all the way back down here if you're not secure your profit. You understand? You better you close out on those trade, and then if anything, you come back on your 5 minute time frame and wait for it to set up back again. You understand? Even though there's volume right here, anything can happen. News cannot go on in a one different country and go just drop out of the sky. Like how you said Nas around there. You understand? Because remember, we're retailer traders, right? We're retailer traders, guys. You see, like Wall Street and Beat and Barclays and HSBC, those banks and the big hedge funds, JP Morgan, them the people they are drop all billions in the market right now. You understand? So when you remember, guys, we are trade with the big boys them. You understand? We are trade with the billionaires them and the trillionaires them in the bank, in the industry. So you think they want we little small fryers make no money? No. You understand? So that's why if they could have stopped trading, they could have stopped it. But people travel every day, so they can't stop it. You understand? I called to the boy with it say what for tappy. You understand? It's Nas. There was it. I think. Yes, Nas. When it comes down to the indices, guys, you can make a lot of money, but when you see profit, you have to take it around. You know, when you're seeing both around the 100 meter, you have it. What indices and the commodities is not a joke thing, guys. You will sit down there and you will make money the whole day. And if you don't know when to stop trading and come out in the market, it can give you the money and take it back by the click of a finger. Hallelujah. Mm-hmm. So you have to know when to secure a profit, guys. So like gold now we keep pushing up. All you have to do is just keep watching it. If you see $50, you take it around. If you see 30, 20, you understand 10. If you see 100, if you keep pushing up right throughout the day, you just keep holding it. You see I call it a push up now, you just keep holding it for the rest of the time. And then when you're happy with your results, when you're happy with your profit, you take it and come out. You understand? This was a good trade, we're not lying. Nice push up. You understand? But that's how the market is. And they will pull back the market to a certain extent. And if you don't have enough money in there for all the account, it just empty out your account. And guess what? As soon as you empty your account, you blow your account, you see the market start push up back. I don't know if you guys noticed that so far. You see account has come back down and it will stop loss. Look where though. It's basically getting ready for push back up. You understand? So it's just a matter of time. By the time later on you see call up back for your buy. That's how them stay. You understand? So you have to know when to secure profit and you understand know when to stay in and know when to come out. You understand? US 30 run here play about. Eventually it will pull back up. J 30 is pushing up nicely. All right, UK 100 is coming back up nicely. So if you're still in UK 100, keep that trade, guys. All right. All right, guys. Any more questions before I jump off? I go drink some tea. You can use your bank card for trade. You can use your bank card to deposit the money. All right. Hi, Emerson. But how do you know you should have entered? Because the strategy said so. All right. Hey, Matthew. Me never see you in here now. I try me not pay TikTok no mind. Um, Thanks, Smoke. All right, guys. So I will catch up with everybody later on. If I'm free later on, then I will do a few one-to-ones and we can go over a few things. All right. If you do need any help, reach out to anyone in the chat, guys. There's a Q&A section in the chat. All right. If you do need any help, all right. So I will, yeah, gold push up nicely. This was a good trade. A long time gold no move like this. All right. So I'll see everybody later on, guys. Bye.